everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about how to speak confidently in 30 days. So many students think English is hard, difficult, but it's not. You don't need perfect grammar, you need confidence, courage or right matter to speak out. So in this video I will tell you 30 days simple English plan that may help you to improve your English. So step 1, think in English. Instead of translating in your mother tongue and then later on English, start thinking in English directly, like I am eating, I am going, I am reading now, I am making videos, like this, instead of translating in mother tongue, like I am going to park now, in this way. And this will improve your confidence and speed automatically. Second is daily uses sentence. Step 2, start using daily uses sentences. Don't go for big grammar rules like this: hi, how are you, what are you doing, today I learned this, today I study a lot. These kind of practice you can do. This will increase your confidence, build your confidence to speak out. So instead of focus on big grammar rules, you can do is learn 5 daily uses sentence. You can go and take help of ChatGPT, leverage it. You should go on ChatGPT and search it how to send me 5 to 10 sentences, and you will easily practice with ChatGPT. Okay, do this. This will improve your confidence and build your speaking practice. Step 3, speak every day is most important part of spoken English. If you don't speak, how to learn anything? You have to do practically, not just listening all the time. Speak, come out of your comfort zone and speak out. Speaking is most important. Even if you are alone, no matter. Speak in front of camera, in front of mirror. If you are shy of mirror, start recording like this and speak in front of mirror. It can help you to improve your overall personality, like communication skills or non-verbal communication also. Speak like this. Don't shivering at all. Speaking is the foremost thing in spoken English. So this will build your confidence and you will automatically speak out if you do this for 1 month continuously. So do this practice 1 month. Next, 4th is listen and copy. Listen, watch movies, podcast, any native speaker, conversation, animated movie, whatever you like. Like yesterday, I watched animated movie where I know I really enjoy that movie, animated movie, cartoon, and it is totally enjoying. And in this way, you learn English naturally and flawlessly. So don't go for any like very big podcaster. You feel monotonous in beginning days. So start watching whatever you enjoy. No matter, try and listen to copy them and try to know the pronunciation. Pause the video and try to speak, repeat after them how to speak. Don't need to understand each and everything in just one video, but try to learn pronunciation, how they pronounce each word correctly. So do this practice, listen and copy. This will increase your fluency and your pronunciation, your accent. Next, don't fear mistake. Learners, I will tell you one very important thing. In India, people are frequently asked this question: I am beginner, I have fear, how to speak English. Don't fear of making mistakes. Even native speaker makes mistake. So don't afraid to making mistake. Try to learn with your mistake, rectify your mistake and speak out. confidence is more important than grammar. So if you guys really want to improve your English, follow these steps for 30 days. You will automatically think in English, your confidence automatically increase, you speak without fear and hesitation. Try to do these things for 30 days and damn sure you will improve yourself and you see improvement in yourself. So learners, don't wait for tomorrow, start today onwards, speak out, and speaking is most important practice. And the one thing is, always keep in your mind, consistency is the key. So do this for 1 month and let's see what happens. So if you like this video, please go and subscribe the subscribe button for more videos. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching my videos.